So this is the second year of the SUSI program. And last year we had students from 4 countries, and this year we have students from 5 countries. And I have to say, from each student I've learned a lot. They've been extremely warm and generous in sharing their culture. And they have strong opinions sometimes, which are different from what we traditionally believe in the US. Yet I think they've made an important effort to give us ideas about how we should think when we think about the Middle East.
So I just learned new things about American culture. I like it.
It's been a fun experience being here as well.
Well, what got you interested in starting this career field?
Journalism, you mean?
Sure.
Well, since I was a kid, I've always liked documenting news, watching news, telling stories, sometimes reporting about my brothers and sisters to my parents. It was really nice. And